Hello friends, welcome to Rapix. My name is Ravishankar. In this video, we will see how to verify the authenticity of your TDS certificate online. Meaning, how to verify whether Form 16 and Form 16A received by us are genuine or not. Generally, we receive TDS certificates in respect of tax deducted on our incomes. Those incomes may be received either from our employer or from other agencies. In respect of TDS on salary income, we will receive Form 16, and for TDS on any other income, it will be Form 16A. Actually, TDS certificates which are downloaded from the Traces portal are only valid. But some deductors, instead of remitting the tax collection, they provide fake TDS certificates to the deductees. So it is always better to check before filing our ITR whether we got the right certificate or not. You may ask, is it really necessary to verify? Yes, it is. Please remember, if TDS certificate is not genuine, you will not get such TDS credit in your Form 26AS, and hence you cannot take tax credit for such certificate while filing your ITR. So it is always important to cross-check that we got the right certificate. Please do note that if your Form 26AS and Form 16 or 16A matches, then it is not necessary to verify the TDS certificates because you already got the full tax credit. If they are not matching, check authenticity of your certificate and then contact deductor to claim your balance TDS credit. So let's begin the topic. To check the authenticity of your TDS certificate, that is either Form 16 or Form 16A, go to Google and type TDS CPC. Click on this link. You will be redirected to this page. Don't worry, I have given this link in the description box also. You can even use that link as well to reach this page. On this page, click on Taxpayer tab here. Then under Quick Links, you will find View TDS or TCS Credit tab. Click on it. Enter this CAPTCHA and click on Proceed. Then you will be landed on this page. Here you can find Verify TDS Certificate tab. Click on it. You will be landed on this page. Here it will ask for a few details such as PAN of deductor, your PAN number, TDS certificate number, then financial year for which tax is deducted. Next is source of income, salary or non-salary. Then finally, TDS amount deducted as per the certificate. Here, PAN number of the deductor, TDS certificate number and TDS amount, you will get it from your TDS certificate. It can be either Form 16 or Form 16A. For your reference, I will show you all these details in my Form 16. This is my Form 16 for financial year 1920. In this form, you will get all the required information which are necessary to verify your TDS certificate online. That means you will get your TDS certificate number, PAN number you can get it, and PAN, your PAN also you can see here. Because I have blurred it, you cannot see, but otherwise all information is available in your Form 16 or Form 16A. Then even you can see the tax deducted also. So basically whatever information you require to verify your TDS certificates, that is all this information you can get it from your Form 16 or Form 16A. For your reference, I have entered my details from Form 16. Here you can see TDS certificate number. This I took it from Form 16 here. Then financial year for which tax is deducted or financial year for which you want to verify your TDS certificate. This information again, because my Form 16 belongs to 1920, here I have entered 1920. Then here you need to choose whether salary or non-salary. If you want to verify Form 16, then choose salary. Instead, if you want to verify Form 16A, then choose non-salary. Because I want to verify Form 16, that's why I have chosen salary here. Then here, amount deducted as per TDS certificate. This information again you can get it from Form 16, this thing. After entering all the information, click on validate here. Then on the next screen, you can see this message. That is, the TDS certificate with below particulars is valid. That means whatever certificate you got, whether it can be a Form 16 or Form 16A, that is valid. If it shows any mismatch or invalid on the screen, then you need to contact the deductor to get your full TDS credit. I think now you understood how to verify your TDS certificate online. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you like this video, like and share it. If you like the content, consider subscribing the channel. Very soon we will meet with another interesting video. Thank you for watching.